So, why save heirloom seeds? There's plenty of good reasons. Obviously, one of the first reasons is because they're delicious and hearty, and they have some quality that we really love and want to preserve. Many people will see the ready availability of seeds from commercial catalogs, and maybe they won't be so interested in saving seed, or won't have the time, or might feel like they don't have the expertise. However, when you save seed, you become part of the living legacy that those seeds carry, and you add your own chapter to their story. So not only can you save money, and not only can you grow really beautiful and unusual varieties that aren't available anywhere else, but you can become part of the crop evolution. You can become part of the improvement and the changes as the crop adapts to your land, and you become part of a sustainable system, no longer dependent on seed companies, no longer dependent on commercial sources. Year after year, you have the seeds of your own sustainability and your own crop. And that's really what's so special to me about seed saving.